Hey guys, it's Alex with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be installing the Paragon Performance Vortex Generator for the C8. This is going to be optioned two ways, painted carbon flash and a raw finish, so you can paint that to match your car. This is going to give us a up to 3% increase in downforce. Let's get to the install. All right, so to prep the actual panel for us here, we're gonna start, you're gonna apply some double-sided tape around the outside. There is a lip on the outside, so make sure that you stay inboard of that lip. And then leave a couple little slots in it, just allows water to be able to come in and out of here so it doesn't get trapped underneath the panel. We've already got the tape pre-installed on this. Little tech tip, take and pull you a little flag of all the double-sided tape and tape it to the outside edge so you can actually get a hold of that and peel it once you've got it on the car. Let's get it put on. It does only fit on there one way, so it's self-explanatory kind of how it goes on there. However, one thing that we have to make sure is this front edge needs to match this front edge of the body. So we're gonna make sure that's exactly where we want it and centered. We're gonna suggest and recommend that you actually open the deck lid and move it up and down and make sure that you don't have any contact issues here, as you may need to scoot it just a little bit farther forward to keep that from happening. And now we're gonna start with one side, peel the tape off kind of where we used to pull those tags out, and then you can just grab the double-sided tape and pull the tag off. And once you've got those all peeled off, just go through and firmly push down, make sure your tape sticks. Now that we have this stuck on there, we're just gonna double check this gap here between the trunk and there, make sure there's no interference. So you open your deck lid and then just watch this gap. If it's going to touch, it's gonna touch somewhere along in the center portion here. But we got it right the first time. Don't have any fitment issues. All right guys, there you have it. It's a really simple install. Give it a little bit more of that aggressive styling as well as that increase in downforce. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.